Yomil, isang kwela, masayahin at academic achiever na estudyante. Palabiro man, hindi mo aakalaing top of the class siya. Parang go lucky. Pero ang totoo, may diskarte sa bawat hakbang niya. Ito si Arnel, isang estudyanteng ubod ng talino. Sa lahat ng exams, laging perfect score. Pero sa kabila ng kanyang katalinuhan, wala siyang kaibigan sa klase. Tahimik lang siya. Laging nag-iisa.
Day lang tawa sa balahipos naman sa duwala labot sa kalibutan. Duwala siya, friends.
In their classroom, Miss Charlene is handing back exam papers. Arnel gets his paper and sees another perfect score, while Yomel, who usually topped the class, gets a lower grade this time.
Ako dapat ang top. Naaperme si Arnel. Talaka.
Guys, now let's talk about traditional media and new media. Can someone tell me what is new media and traditional media? Anyone? Okay, let me call Yomel. They have an idea. How about someone else? Okay, Arnel?
Yes, traditional media is media that uses in the past like radio, newspaper, and magazine, while new media is media that uses nowadays like in the website, e-books.
Oh, very good.
Jollibee na siguro ay kabida-bida.
Ang inggit ay unti-unting humihila kay Yomil pababa. Sa halip na humanga kay Arnel, naisipan niyang sirain itong online.
Oh my god! Have you seen it? Oh dear, already seen it. Hey, look at this Leona. Your post is going viral. Have you seen all the comments? People are really going after Arnel now.
It's nothing. That's what happens when you're always the top student. Can let Arnel have all the spotlight, right?
Exactly. She's probably starting to doubt herself now. She wants so high and mighty after this.
Wow, this is getting out of hand. Ben!
Leomel post went viral and Arnel was bullied by all her schoolmates.
Oh look, it's the cheater. How does it feel to make your way to the top, Arnel?
I didn't cheat, you don't know everything.
Yeah. I'm G. That's all the cheaters say. So good luck with every month. Oh look, Hershey's are genius. What does it feel to have everyone know that you're a cheater, Arnel?
I didn't cheat, you don't know anything.
Pretend all you want, but girl, everyone knows you're just a show-off. Scared of losing. Pathetic.
Why don't you just stop showing off to everyone, Arnel?
Oh, look at her. Let's everyone see how the genius reacts to the proof.
Say hi to the vlog, Arnel.
Bye.
Yes, come in. Sit down. Because I want to talk about your grades. You see this? What happened to you? Your grades are so low. Tell me, is there something wrong?
Wala, miss. Masama na talaga sa harapan ko.
Okay, let's do it better next time, okay? Okay, so you can go.
Ano ba tawagan naman yung reason?
I didn't anything wrong.
Ano wala? Cheater ka na ganito, tigong ka pa. Ano wala? Lagi ka talaga dito, tigong.
Eh, wala. Hindi na nagkakulima. Hindi ka
Ako dun na. Hindi sa pasto.
Hindi sa kagagad. Ikaw lang yung taas.
What's happening here? Both of you, come to my office. Can someone tell me what's going on? Go!
Wala ka nag-cheat.
Stop! One at a time.
Lagi na muli ko nila, miss ka post-post. Nagay ka sa Facebook.
Who's involved in this? Sino na sila?
Miss ka sila ni Raiza.
Yes, Miss, do you need any?
Come sit. So, ipatawag ka mo tanan kaya may natakyan kung may issue about kay Eric Andrew Kagay. So, sino na yung last tungkol sa storya?
Excuse me, Miss, but I would like to clear myself of this narrative. I am not involved with this issue. Maybe that, but not me.
Alright, is that right? And then Sophia is not involved with this issue?
She's involved here, miss.
What?
Ikaw ka naman ako na ako sa Facebook.
Oh my God! You're
You're
saying nonsense, my dear.
Stop!
We and Sophia are not involved with this issue. But I know Leona is involved in this issue.
Pero is that right? That you are the only one?
Involved in this.
Miss, kaya mo ni sa una, miss nag-best si Miss Harlene sa Monte. Nataasan ko na si Leo Mel score, tapos binambalan ko nila bida-bida. Miss kan, wala na akong kapanghilabot sa ila.
Paano ko miss niya sa lahat ng miss, pero kakatapat ang wala price ko kasi pwede na siyang kataan, kasi ko ang mundo, hindi ko ba sa miss. Ganyan, sorry.
We live in a world where technology connects us like never before. But with this power comes responsibility. A responsibility that we often forget. You see, cyberbullying is not just the words on screen, it's not just a comment on social media or a message in the chat room. It's real, it's personal, and it hurts. Every username is a person with feelings, with hopes, and with struggles. Just like you and me, when someone is targeted online, the pain follows them everywhere. Whether they're school, at home, or lying in bed at night. The mental toll is devastating. Anxiety, isolation, these are just some of the effects. Some victims begin to feel like their only way to escape is to draw from life, even considering suicide as a way out. And yet, many suffer in silence, believing there's no one to turn to or that speaking up won't make a difference. To those who are victims of cyberbullying, you are not alone. You are worthy of love and respect, and there are people who will stand by you. To those who witness bullying, don't stand by and watch. Don't let cruelty be the loudest voice in the room. Step in, speak up, report it. Together, we can make the difference. Together, we can create a world where kindness reigns online and offline.
괜찮아. 괜찮아.
Oh, no.
괜찮아요.
Action.
Lagi na muli ko nila, miss ga post-post, nilagay lang sa Facebook.